All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy, Delight Trading. A quick one on trades I'm currently in. Okay, now this is Euro USD trade currently. So let me show you on the 1 minute time frame first of all. Okay, now this is the trade I'm currently in. You can see it's already pulling what's massively to the upside, and my take profit start 21 pips. 21.6 pips to be exact. So I think, yeah, that's it. Now, to show you that I have placed this trade, let me show you this thing. Now, this is the trade. So you can see on a $5,000 account right around here, and this is the current profit right around here. Okay, so my take profit is here. My entry was here. All right, I think that's all. That's all I wanted to share to you. Now, my analysis for entry this trade is what I'm going to do as of now. Now, first of all, I always say go to the daily now. Know what exactly the daily is going to do. All right, what I can see here is that price is what's in a bullish trend, making a higher high, higher low, internal higher high, internal higher low. Then before we take out the external higher high, making a higher high. Initially, this was a lower high to this, but higher low, then external higher high. Now, I think that's what the 4 hour doing. The 4 hour also is also in a collaboration with the daily. Now, price is bullish. Very good. Now, daily is bullish, 4 hours is bullish. Now, let's see what the 15 minutes is for. Doing 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Now, in the 15 minutes time frame, I always say that you need to look for this to confirm a strong low, a strong high. This, then look for an entry here to buy to the upside. This is what I always preach. If you've been with me in my videos on my YouTube channel, you understand this is what I look for. So this is a high probability and this is a low probability in the sense that price will do something like this. It's a low probability. Something like this, then goes like this. It's a low probability setup, but we just work with it. Now, this is what I'm telling you I'm looking for. Now, all I did was when I got here, just observed the current move on the 15 minutes or time frame. As you can see, I saw price making a low. Excuse me. Price making a low, a lower high, higher low, higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, before price came to this current direction, now as you can see, you look at it carefully, you see that when price was after price did something like this, went up, came down, went up again, came down. Are you seeing the pattern? Price came, swept this low, came down, respected this other block, broke, came down, went up again, then swept this recent low. The price continued to its intended direction. Now, after seeing this, I said, okay, there's a possibility that price can come here, react forward, buy into the upside, right? That was the possibility I had. Then I acted upon what I was seeing. As you can see, this is what's happening currently here. Now, I acted upon what I was seeing. I thought, okay, this is the recent strong low. This was not a strong low. This was just a manipulation and rally before the drop. Now, this is the low I was expecting price to buy off from. Okay, why is that? Because if I should go down to the 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, you can see the price was higher, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, then came, broke, the recent higher low, then broke with what higher high. You can see there was imbalances, and this was the last unmitigated. This was the candle that was the last unmitigated, because I just decided to put it here above, so that price will not just move me, will not just say, okay, because I did not place it properly, that was why it left. So that was why I left it right toward there. Now, that's the whole reason why I'm taking this particular trade at the moment. So as you can see, price has already tapped into my zone, preferably the last candle. Yeah, so it's going to break this low. So I want to see how price is going to react. I already showed you my profits. So this will be a 1 to 2.7. Reach the reward is 21.6 pips. So I think this is enough for me. I've been waiting on this for the whole day. So it's already 4:03 p.m. Nigerian time. And if this hits TP, I'm okay. And if this breaks above this current high, it should break above this current high right around here. I will be moving toward break even. Yeah, I'll be moving toward break even. If it breaks or weaks this high, moving to break even for the satisfaction to save my profits and my account. So I'll leave the trade to what hits my profit target, and I know I'm done for the day. Okay, now you can see price is reacting off this supply right around here. It did the same thing on gold. Supply right around here. Let's see the 1 minute. Okay. Okay, now price is currently reacting off this. Now this is a strong high. Okay, we follow strong high. So I can see why price is reacting off this high. But why I'm not scared is because this is a higher time frame what demand zone. Yeah, so the higher time frame demand zone wins. So let's see how it goes. I'm waiting. Sorry, this might take longer, but it's a live trade. Let's see how it's going to play out. Okay. Please don't mind the noise, okay? I mean, you might not be hearing noise, but currently the noise right here. Okay. Um, and the noise, please. Just let's see how the trade is going to move. Because I expect price to give a reaction from here. You know, price does not just move directly. It doesn't just move once, except there's what's it called news from either Powell or Trump's tweets. Be specific. As you can see here, this is a what reaction zone. So I'm expecting price to what react off it, then break past it. So that supply would have served this what its purpose for inducing the early sellers to the market before continuing to its current direction, because everything is pointing what bullish at the what moment. So no, I can target here if I wanted to. Could have targeted there if I wanted to, but I'm not greedy. I don't want that, because right around here, you can see that there is a zone, a supply zone here that has not been tapped right around here. Okay. And if I want to even take my profits, I will taking it right around here. Why? Because this zone is untapped and there's imbalance here. I don't usually work with imbalances, but if it's there, it's like more extra what confluences, because if July is cool out, okay, now everything here is Please don't worry. I already cleared my screen. I don't really like coming back to the market and seeing my screen just messed up. I like clearing the chart so I can start afresh. So I won't be blinded by existing or previously plotted what structure. So I just need to focus on the current one to make my chart not be messy. Now, you see, this was the 15 minutes. You can see there was liquidity, equal lows, price came, refused to take it out, just reacted, just inducing the buyers. And it got here, gave a week, reacted, then went up again. This was the high that we are currently seeing on the 4-hour time frame. This is the high we are currently seeing. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you see that this is the high we are currently working with, right? Now, down to the 15 minutes time frame, so you can see price started was reacting from something to the left, started making structure, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, before finally breaking what its recent structure. Now it hasn't made what its second was structure. This is just between the high, this particular high and this particular what low. It's down now. Particular high and this particular what low. So it's what internal. So as you can see, we might be in a premium. We are currently in a premium zone. Oh yeah. Oh, I think we are in a discounted zone. I think. Yeah, at a discounted zone to buy toward the premium. Now, this is the initial target if you want to hold, but I'll be going for 21.6, which is my overall target. I don't want to be greedy because there's something here I'm expecting price to sweep. But if it doesn't work out, I'm good. If it does, I'm good. Now the live trade, now let's go back to the 1 minute. I don't usually use the 1 minute, but for extra conferences, just for reference sake, we just have to work with it so that you see the bigger picture. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Okay, while this is going, let me make analysis. Let me check on what's it called? Gold. A lot of you trade gold. Gold. XAUUSD. You should have since down. Can I use vintage? I don't really know. I think people use SAS. So, yeah. Also, all right, 15 minutes. Let's go to daily first. Let's see where this market's currently on. Okay, the daily is bullish. Okay, bullish here. Very good. Bullish 4 hours. What? Still bullish, like attempting to buy to the upside. There's an attempt here to buy to the upside. Okay. Now the 15 minutes current structure. What are we looking at? Okay. Okay. This was a break. A down. All right. There was no sweep of liquidity here. There's no sweep of liquidity here. So everything here is what liquidity at the moment. Yes, liquidity at the moment, so I'm expecting price to come take everything out what's there. Okay. What else? What else? Nothing much on gold. I will not even be expecting. The only thing I'll be expecting to buy off from is actually from this particular pure high right around here. Why? Because price broke this low, then took out what this high right around here. Now, as you can see, there haven't been any other structure like this in this current leg. So everything here is just internal. So, and the only unmitigated zone here, other block or candle here is this particular guy. Everything here has been mitigated. But one thing about gold is it doesn't really respect that well. You might say this might be the unmitigated, but it will just do you dirty and go whatever you want to do. All right, let's see that particular zone. Let's see if that's the right one to choose, because you can never be too careful. Okay. Now, all right. Now all I can say is okay, price came, broke down, respected the demand here, then broke this low, was respected by something here, broke. Now this is the last untouched. Now even the zone we are picking up from is what equal lows, so I will expect price to respect what this was particular with zone right around here. In fact, I will pick it right to this point. For some reasons, to be specific. So this would be where I will be what buying from. Okay, not here. I know, yeah, not here. So for refinement purposes, let me put this forward. So I'm working with these candles. Yeah, these candles. So this is what equal lows here. Now this is the only zone. This will be the zone I'll be currently working with. But around here. I want to buy gold. Take out what this recent was high. Now there's also a possibility that this particular zone is also what liquidity because I'm still seeing what equal up lows. Okay, not particularly equal lows because price has swept structure. Swept this structure reacted or something, but so I'm willing to buy from here if paraventure happens because this liquidity, this is liquidity here, now this is where I'm going from. So that's it. So let's go back to let's say USD, Euro USD. Okay. Minute time frame. I see. Okay. All right. So I think this supplier has done his job. So let's what's it called? All right. Let's delete this. This supplier has done his job. Very good. Now this demand here is currently doing his job. Very good. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, the higher time frames on which you trade on will actually what win the struggle of lower time frames. So you just have to decide which one you are on. Now, as you can see, price is currently rallying to the upside aggressively for that matter, because we are patiently bullish both on the daily and on the 4 hour. Okay, so let me share with you the profits I'm currently on. I hope you can see this. So I'm currently on $12.32. Okay, down 18 cents. On just okay, we are rallying or we are taking to the skies. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we might hit TP before you even know it. So I think that's all I can say. This is a live trade, and please really enjoy my what's it called? If you enjoy my teachings, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. I'll be uploading this on YouTube. So I'm just telling you just in case you find my video in your feed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I told you we are going to break this high, which is the hours. So I'll be moving to break even. Please excuse me. Let me move my stop to break even. Move my break even right around here. All right, I've done that. We are up $15.40. Okay, 14. All right, so you can see, so let's see how it's going to progress. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Mm, mm, do something. Oh, okay. So, or should I edit? Let me change this. No. All right. Okay. This is much better rather than red. All right, I'll move my stops to break even right around here. This is my break even point. This is lower time frame. You have to be very careful and very, 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 very careful. Eh? Did I make that white or red? Red, white, too much, black. Okay, I should just increase the text. Let me keep 13. All right, this will be better. All right, we are rallying, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how it goes. I'm break even already. So we're almost at TP. We hit TP will be on the $5,000 account. It will be on $30 take profit. All right, now this high is going to be taken. Or if I still see a reaction from here, I would then decide on what to do. Either I close early or I just let the trade was run. Well, from the current momentum from this trade, I don't really see a need to even bother myself because the rally is very, 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 very high. Okay, so you just have to know what you are doing in the market, and yes, it's right. I think it was supposed to react from to spot of that point in price, but didn't get there. It reacted off from this whole candle. 15 minutes time frame is what reacted off from this whole candle here. And that was where my stops were. Wow, that's pretty funny, but all right. We are close to TP, very, very close to TP. And please, 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 I do not manage accounts for anyone. Please do not ask me to manage your accounts. I do not manage accounts for anyone. Please. Join templates as blue, save. Then I need this red to be saved. Correct. All right, so that'll be better. So each high will be represented by blue, and each low in the heart represented by red. I'm please sorry, I'm not that fluent with English. I just trying my best here. Please don't mind the English. I'm just trying my best here. Oh my God. All right, this will be red. Each low will be represented by red, and each high represented by blue. I'm just wasting time. Let's see how far we are going to hit our TP, which is eventually going to happen any moment from now. Okay, let me take a screenshot of this. Yeah, that's been done. Please don't mind the interruption. So live tweet, everyone please be patient. I cannot do live streaming now because of some unfortunate issues. But I'm glad I can record this and the trade is actually performing as but intended. Okay. All right. TP almost hit. TP almost hit. TP. Please give me TP. Please. I'm begging you. Please. I need TP. Please. It's gonna hit, but I just have to beg. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to be closing right around now. Doesn't necessarily need to hit TP. At most, it doesn't really, but I feel. All right, congrats, ladies and gentlemen. I've closed TP hits. Wish you the best, and that's to be all from me.